If you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you've got the Begode Extreme Grizzla fairing system. Congratulations, it is by far the biggest and best upgrade you can get for the Begode Extreme. Let's get started with the installation. Remove the two M8 bolts from the front handle and remove the handlebar. Keep those bolts so you can reuse them further. Remove the forward and rear bolts on the battery cases. Take the ergonomic top and attach it with the provided M5 by 35 bolts. And of course, repeat the previous step on the other side. Insert the stock handlebar inside the provided rubber handle. The fit is exceptionally tight, so you may only have one shot at this. Be careful. Watch the angled cuts on both ends and align the elements before inserting. Take the 4x30 pins and insert them on both ends of the handle. You might need to press it against some flat surface to push it to the end. Insert the provided M5 nuts into hex slots in both front bumpers. Slide in the first front bumper. Start by sliding the wing under the ergonomic top. Then push the top part against the handle mount until it pops into place. Place the handle in its place. Make sure the pin fits well into the hole and that the anti-slip texture is on the top. Slide the other front bumper over the handle. Be careful to insert the pin into the hole and a wing under the ergonomic top. Secure the handle with the stock M8 bolts. Remove the M8 bolts from the speaker. Just like with the front bumper, insert the provided M5 nuts into the hex slots in both rear bumpers. Take the provided M8 by 20 bolts and plastic spacers and join them together like shown. To make it quicker, you might need to just screw it in with an Allen wrench. Now align and mount the rear bumper with the M8 bolt with the spacer. Screw in the M8 bolts with the spacer onto each side of the speaker. For seat installation, begin by attaching the hinges to the sides of the seat. Note the left and the right indicators with an L and an R. Start each assembly with putting the nut inside the seat hole. Then place the hinge and secure it with an M4 by 12 bolt. Once both hinges are installed, slide the seat into the slots in the rear bumpers. Make sure they're pushed to the end of the slots and the seat can open and securely close. To install the bottom bumper, remove the two stock M5 bolts that are closer to the pedal hangers. Attach the bottom bumper with the provided M5 by 50 bolts. Secure the bumper on the top with the provided M4 by 12 bolt. Repeat all these previous steps on all the other corners. Let's install the fairing plate now. Take the provided M4 by 12 bolts and start by fastening the plate in the corners. There are 6 holes for these on each side. Be careful to not over-tighten these screws. Screw in the countersunk bolts. Make sure that when you're doing this, you're holding on to the nut on the other side just to prevent anything from falling out. Don't forget the most important part, putting on your Grizzla Pads. That's it, you're finished. If this tutorial was helpful to you, make sure you hit that like button on the video and boop that subscribe button. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.